review time. I'm excited about this one. Hands of Light. Ooh, let's jump in. Okay, so today's book review is on Hands of Light. This is by Barbara Ann Brennan, and this is a guide to healing through the human energy field. So this book was recommended by both of my Reiki masters. And I was like, okay, grabbed it. It is a really great book. I've read it about 3 times, and I was like, I really need to review this book. As I just recently taught Reiki, I teach it 3 times a year. So I teach Usui Reiki 3 times a year and Sasekim Sahu Reiki 3 times a year. Sasekim Sahu Reiki is Egyptian Reiki. So I do teach 3 times a year, and I'm always like recommending certain books to enhance um, learning how to use the energy. So this is not a Reiki guide, not a specific Reiki guide, but a lot of the techniques in here, it is energy healing. And that's what is really important to know. So it's a guide, literally a guide to healing through the human energy field. So there's exercises in here, there's illustrations. The illustrations are great. I'll show you some of them. So there's quite a few chapters. So it is broken down in parts, and there's six parts. So part 1 is living on a planet of energy. Part 2 is the human aura. Part 3 is the psychodynamics and the human energy field. Part 4 is the perceptual tools of the healer. Part 5 is spiritual healing, and part 6 is self-healing and the spiritual healer. So I wanted to kind of show, there's like a lot of really great exercises in here. And I know they've been like for me personally, some of them like I felt more drawn to than others. And the ones that I have been drawn to have been really helpful for me personally. But let me get to some of the illustrations. There's illustrations throughout the book, but like it's really neat. Like that one is supposed to be that way. So there are color illustrations within the book, and then there's like other little like figures and drawings within the book, so that can kind of help give you some guidance, especially when you're reading through. So that's like really helpful. It talks about so much. It also gets into the chakras, and it talks about like how to do chakra readings, how to help balance and heal your chakras. It gets into the energy centers. So this is just like, here we go. Here's the major chakras associated with psychological dysfunction. So, I mean, this is a really great book. It's very mind opening. It helps you interpret auras. There's so much in here. And so if you are an energy healer, a crystal healer, or you're a Reiki practitioner, Reiki master, this is like a really great resource to have. And you're going to learn just so much that will help you personally in your life and can help you like share the gift with others. So this is a highly recommended book. And I give it 5 cauldrons. So as always, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up or a heart. And don't forget to subscribe and follow so that you can get more content. As always, blessed be and namaste.